First of all, of course, I want to finish my PhD studies. I want to continue the research on the ECG and connecting ECG to various pathological states. Also, I want to involve more in bioinformatics to help my team reach the better results.
I'm very interested in genetics and moleculars. I've always been interested in that field, and I'm truly interested on collaborating or creating some projects like a medical diagnosis based on genomics. But also recently I'm really enjoying working on plant genomics. So I'm working forward to see if we can you can combine the both fields and working together. So I'm excited to learn a lot.
So in the future, I want to be to do a science regarding genome analysis and to do bioinformatics, to study more about the human life and the biomedicine aspect of this life science.
The wonderful opportunity for students from University of Belgrade is actually the training program here at BGI, and I think it's the great opportunity to be here for an internship or training program, and I would definitely take the opportunity. I liked all the lectures here, but the one that especially kept my attention was the lecture about information, IT and biotechnology, and I think when I apply for the internship or the training program here, my topic of interest would be definitely that one.
Yes, I am truly aware. It expands your network, it changes how you see the world. I'm hoping that through this program, other students and I can see that the world needs science, and that is what we're here for. And I'm hoping that I can create and collaborating in some projects to help BGI change a better world.
And really have a great opportunity to be here and make a collaboration to another person and in another country. But for the oral presentation, I found that someone he worked the topic as same as mine when I have a PhD. He tried to understand, try to predict which variant is affected to the genetic disorder. It's very interesting topic.
I've seen a poster on genomic expansion yeast. That's interesting to me because I also do research in natural amino acids and its incorporation into protein, so I find that quite interesting.
BGI can arrange more and more programs such like in the underdeveloped countries and expanding this program to the developing and underdeveloped countries.
We can have a little bit more spread out over more days so that we can have more time to interact with each other and to share more ideas with each other.
Sure, I will recommend this summer camp to our friends in Thailand and also in other countries because this camp is a great opportunity to be here. BGI is one of the leading genetic companies in the world. We have, how can we deny it?
I would definitely recommend my friends, especially from Indonesia, from Universitas Indonesia, to come to summer camp here in BGI Shenzhen, because you will learn a lot about the cutting-edge technology of genome analysis, which are not available in our country. So maybe we could learn here and take the knowledge back home and to do more research about it, and hopefully to better our studies.
It's good to spend a week here because I met a lot of people. I heard about new technologies that I would not hear anywhere else, and also I think this is a easy chance to meet the high-ranking people and high-ranking scientists that it would not be able in any other place.
You guys, if you have any chances or opportunity to join BGI program, do join because you will not regret anything. It is such a fun and insightful program, and I think they will have so many events in the future, so make sure you join and you will learn a lot.